Alright guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel as you new here, and this video is going to be about changing the Ariel Rider Grizzly stock tires and putting on the e-huntsman tire 20.4.0. And these are the tools you're going to need to get the job done. This video is just removing the rear wheel. This is what we're going to disconnect to remove the rear wheel. I didn't get the 22 metric, but I did get a 13/16, which is going to help me remove the screw. Going to do the rear tire, which is much harder to do. The first step is to remove the disc brake caliper by loosening and removing the two bolts holding the caliper to the adapter. After removing the cable tie, unscrew the connector that hold the motor. I did not remove the brakes and I was struggling a bit to remove the wheel. If the wheel isn't coming off, tap it twice from side to side. I do 700 miles a week doing deliveries. The original tires were getting flat, so I changed the tires to heavy-duty tires. In less than 3 months the original tires were already messed up. Everything is better when it has a good lubrication. Now we go to the soap so that the wheel can be removed faster. I went to a bicycle repair shop and they were going to install some used tires for $340. I bought these new tire for $180 and I'm doing it myself for the first time, and it turned out fine. I'm doing it myself because I'm a stingy person and I like to save money, especially when you're delivering on the dangerous streets of New York. You never know when the bike is going to find a new owner. And you are going to have to buy another one, so save everything you can for when that day comes. Everything is better when it has a good lubrication. Now we go to the soap. I am putting soapy water so that the wheel enters smoothly. Put some air in it to make it easy to put on the tire. Make sure that the tube has not arrived punctured so that you do not put it in and have to remove it. I am putting soapy water so that the wheel enters smoothly. Look, where is my hand now? I'm supposed to have another one of that on the other side, but I dropped it on the floor and I didn't realize it. After I put the wheel on, I realized that this piece was missing. My apartment is small, and this is the only space I have to work. I put the nut, but I forgot to put the 243 glue.
Check to see if it's seated. Now, you see, this as long as all this is end up might not even pop if you have soap and it fits perfect. One check, look around, make sure it's nice and even. 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 I put the nut, but I forgot to put the 243 glue. The video was too long, so now I have to do the front wheel. That's why there's two parts. Thank you for watching.